Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and an impromptu additional video this week. So if you haven't already subscribed and you've not been here before, I'm Sinead Crowe. I do lots of fashion and styling videos, and today, or yesterday, I got a bit too spendy. Basically, I had half an hour to kill in Selfridges and ended up doing something a little bit crazy. It was something I wanted anyway, but yeah. So I also got a secondhand designer piece, and I got a delivery of some designer clothing. So I thought I'd do a little luxury haul. There's just 4 pieces, it's not like crazy, and I'll explain to you like about everything. But yeah, let's start with the main thing that everyone wants to see, because I'm not gonna like go on and be a tease, because I'm not a tease. So before we start, if you haven't already, I would love you to join my channel. Just hit the subscribe button, like this video if you enjoy it, and leave me a comment with your favourite piece or what you think to my new Chanel purchase. And also, if you follow me on Instagram, I also do, I'm starting to do like giveaways and things, so make sure you check me out over there. So without further ado, so I saw these sandals on Sincerely Jules and I loved them. I love everything she wears. I'm obsessed with her. She's like my favourite blogger. And I tried them on in white in LA, and I put a picture on my Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you might already know what it is. And yeah, basically I didn't get them there, even though I love them, because I was like, so spoiler, sandals. Even though I love them, I didn't get them because with the import fees and like the exchange rate, it was just like not good for me to get them there. It was just like not, didn't make sense money wise to get them. It would have cost me way more. And also I probably would have got them anyway because I love them so much, but my suitcase was like literally overweight and I couldn't shut it. So I knew I was gonna have to leave stuff in LA anyway, so the last thing I wanted to do is buy more. And I knew that I'd want to take the beautiful box home with me and all the packaging, so I love to keep it. So yeah, I decided to wait, and then I kind of forgot about them a bit. I really wanted them still, but I just was like starting to, like my sensible mind was starting to creep in and be like, this is too much, like it's ridiculous. But then I went and saw them, and I got a lot of work this month, and I just was like, you've been working hard, you need to treat yourself. I've got 2 holidays in May too, so if I'm going to buy them, I may as well buy them so I can wear them on my holidays. So without further ado, this packaging, have opened it to show Jack. So this is my like, this is my awful attempt at putting it back together. Yeah, don't worry, if you get it from Chanel, it's definitely better packaged than this. So without further ado, dun, 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 really sturdy boxes. You get your 2 little dust bags, very cute. Oh my god, on a side note, has anyone seen the perfect Chanel shoes and the dust bag you get from them? It's amazing, it's like clear, I love it. And these are my new babies. They're very Marmite, I'm sure people will hate them. I'm sure people will love them, but I love them. They're so cute. They're kind of like the granddad sporty sandal vibe, but without being too chunky, because I feel like the chunky ones just, like they don't suit me so much. I have ordered some cheaper chunky ones to try, so you'll see them in a haul soon, I'm sure. But I just wanted to get some, these ones that I just think they're like perfect. They fit nicely, they look really nice actually with skinny jeans. I might put a cutaway of me wearing them in, and if not, I'll put a picture in. And then they've got the Chanel logo there, and then they've also got like the chains, and they've got some like Chanel here, here, and here. Yasmin came over yesterday and she was like, I feel like if I paid that much for a pair of sandals, I'd want Chanel written all over them. But yeah, so you can't really tell that they're Chanel when you've got them on, because you can't see that, but they're just beautiful. They were £800. But I love them so much, and I've been thinking about them for a while, and I just was like, do you know what, if I think about it too much, then summer's gonna be over by the time I get them. So, and then yeah, they've got the chains, and they come in this gunmetal silver, black, white and blue, and I tried the white on and I really like them. I really like the black too. I probably wouldn't have got the blue, but basically I was there and they only had one size 7 in these there in Selfridges, and I had one size 7 in black in Bond Street, and I had one size 7 in blue somewhere else, and they were the only size 7s in the country, basically. So I was like, okay, gotta get them. I don't know if they do that. Maybe it's a sales tactic. I feel like it's not though, but like literally it always happens to me when I buy stuff from Chanel. Like when I went and bought my trainers, they were literally like, oh, they weren't even on display. I just showed them the shoes that I wanted, and they were like, oh yeah, we have one pair in size 7 in the back, and I was like, okay, I'll have them. Like, I can't think about this, someone else is gonna get them. And then when I bought my went to go and buy my handbag, it had sold out everywhere, and I had to drive to Manchester to get it. So this is, I've learned my lesson from that like, don't delay. Like, if you want something, you have to get it there and then. So next I want to show you my little handbag purchase, which is a second-hand purchase, actually from my sister. I have shown this in one of my hauls, but I just thought I'd add it in this too because it's a luxury haul. And this is something I got recently. This actually only cost me £190 because I got it from my sister, second-hand, and she got it off eBay for the same price. How good. And I actually had a look, and there's quite a few going, so I'll link all in the description below, loads of designer second-hand ones, and also for like the Chanel and anything designer I'm showing here. Like if you can't, like if you don't want to spend that much money, if you can't afford it, or you just think it's ridiculous to spend that much money, then I'll link like high street alternatives to them too, because there's a really nice one on ASOS like this, but obviously not the monogram. But I just really love it. It's really cute. It really reminds me of like the 90s style bags, and like the Fendi and like the By Far bag, and just, I really like it. I really like it. Then finally I wanted to show you some stuff I got from Oxygen Boutique. This is actually a very generous gift. I've never actually got anything from them before, only beauty things. They do amazing like luxury beauty and fashion. And my favourite brand, Golden Goose, they do, but I don't actually have any Golden Goose here, so I've got 2 pieces in my bag, and they've packaged them beautifully. I love it when brands package things nicely, because I think if you're spending a lot of money, you want it nicely packaged. Yes, so I have 2 things here, both were lovely, generous gifts. I'll link them below. You can shop Oxygen Boutique online or in store, and it is in London. So if you have been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I'm a big fan of a white t-shirt, and I got this really cool t-shirt from the Chung collection, and I don't actually have anything from her brand, and I love her brand, and I just saw this and was like, so cool. And it's just a simple one, and I think it's £110, which is super reasonable for a designer t-shirt, and like to own something from the fashion queen herself. And I just think this will be really cute for summer, just like denim shorts. It's an all year round wear really. It's just a white t-shirt, but I just really liked it, and I haven't really seen many people with this one too, because I feel like some of the slogan t-shirts that are designer, you end up just like everyone has them, whereas this one I haven't seen anyone with, and I really like it, and I got it in a size medium. Then finally I got something else from a brand that I've never had anything from before, but I have been looking and wanting for a while, from the brand Ganni, or Janny, no it's Ganni. Is it Ganni or Yanni? No, it's Ganni. And it's like a crossover ruffle short sleeved top, which is beautiful. Look at this beautiful print. I love it. It's so nice. This is going to be so nice for spring summer. I think it will look really cute with white jeans, or with black jeans, or with a skirt, or you could wear it with like a similar skirt and make it look like a dress. I think it'll be really cute. So I'll do some cutaways actually. I wasn't going to, but because I've got clothes, I will do cutaways too, to show you like what they look like on. And yeah, so you can get any of these things from Oxygen Boutique. What did I get this top in? I got it in a size 38. So I'll link everything below. You can also get, I think they do a skirt of this, and they also do like this print in a few different things. So if you like the top but you want a dress or you want a skirt, then you can get that too. So thank you so much for joining me for my impromptu midweek haul, my unscheduled little additional video. Hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment with your favourite piece. What do you like? Do you think the Chanel sandals were too much? They were £800, or do you think bargain? I always think Chanel shoes are really cheap. Like, I know £800 is ridiculously expensive, but I always look at them in comparison to their bags, and their bags, like the plastic flap is 4 grand. So I think like it's crazy that their shoes are only 800, because when you look at like Balenciaga bags are like £1,000 and then their shoes are like 600. So like to me, I feel like that's like the pricing is like crazy. But anyway, I'm not complaining. I love them so much. And the trainers from Chanel are like 680, which is like the same as Balenciaga trainers, which is why I was like, gonna get those. And yeah, anyway, I'm gonna stop blabbering. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for lots more videos, and make sure you head over to my Instagram. I'll put my account here to see like everyday outfit inspo, and I will see you next time.